Hello guys, welcome into my new episode of Edit. Hope you guys liked my previous videos. In this tutorial, we will be creating this to that. If you are new into my channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications for more upcoming videos. So guys, let's start with our background first and we'll select the first texture layer. We'll duplicate it, Control plus J to duplicate it. Okay, now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay, so just blur it. Yes, you can keep the settings, press OK. Now we will turn on the another texture layer and I have set the blend mode to soft light so it blends together with this layer. Cool. Now we'll turn on the smoke layer. So I have set the blend mode to screen. Still it's looking not good. So I have added a levels. You can see I have adjusted the midtones to blend with our this layer. And now we will go to our foreground layer and we'll select from the new adjustment layer, that is the curves, and right click on it, create clipping mask. Now we'll adjust the contrast and nice. And we'll create a new layer. Select the brush tool, set the foreground color to black, set the opacity down to 30%, and we don't want these highlight areas, so we'll cover it up. I think it's too much. Now select the curves layer, set the foreground color to black, and we'll paint and reveal back our highlight areas. Just the lips also, so it looks good. Now go to the blending modes and just move it. Nice, press OK. Select the mask tool again and we'll adjust a little bit, set the opacity a little bit higher, and it's looking absolutely good. So you can play around these settings to get the perfect thing you are looking for. And now we'll create another new adjustment layer, that is the color balance, and we'll increase the reds and the yellows a bit. Let's, for example, we set it to around like 17 to our red and yellow to also -17. We'll balance the colors. Right now we'll adjust it by our vibrance, so set it to 13 and the saturation a little bit of 12, or -13 or -12, or you can play around your settings to get the perfect output you're looking for. So it's looking really good. Now we'll create a new layer, and from the eyedropper tool select this one. Okay, now set the opacity to 100% and set the brush tool to this much. Okay, nice. Set it to screen. Now Control T to transform it and put it a little bit down, I think. It's a backlight of a scene. And next we'll create a new layer and we'll rename it as dodge and burn. Go to edit, fill 50% gray and set it to overlay. Now select the dodge tool, set the exposure around like 9%. Go to the burn tool, set the exposure a little bit downer, 3%, and a little bit of checks. Go to the dodge tool again and paint in these areas and all, and select the foreground layer once again and go to the blending options, inner glow. Pick the color from here, a little bit brighter, set it to color dodge. Now press OK. Now we'll add a little bit of smoke to our scene again. So let's create a new adjustment layer, that is levels. Right click on it, create clipping mask, and we'll adjust the mask. Now let's add another adjustment layer, that is a hue and saturation. Let's set the hue to around like 21 and saturation around like -21. Let's adjust it You can see here is a line coming out here. This is a light layer and it's not looking nice, so we'll create a mask on it. Select the brush tool and we'll just remove the line. Nice. Now we'll adjust the vibrance a little bit in the saturation, right? I think the red is a little bit of too much, so we'll adjust the reds. And next we'll create another adjustment layer, that is a curves. So what it does, it increases our highlights and contrast a little bit. So yes, it's looking nice now. Now we will turn on our elements layer. So you can put it down according to your style. I have put it down in my style. So I have turned on the blend mode to screen. You can see it's a JPG and you can turn it on to screen and you can play around how to look you want in your image. Now create a new layer, Control Shift Alt and E. So here is our final output. Let's adjust the saturation of our background. So for that we'll be using a vibrance and let's give it a negative value of around like -18 and saturation of around like 5. Now create a new layer, press Ctrl Shift Alt and E. So here is our final output. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, hit the like button, comment and do subscribe for more updates for my upcoming video. See you in my next video.